To fix Instagram comments not showing. In this tutorial, if you are unable to see Instagram comments, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Tap on the three lines or the profile icon at the bottom right. And once you get to your profile, you are going to have to tap on the menu icon on the top right. And once landed on your menu page, what you need to do is scroll down and head over to how others can interact with you. Then click on tags and mentions. And make sure you allow tags from everyone, and then from here on the mention you can also make sure that you have selected allow mentions from everyone as well. And once you have done all of that, you could go back and tap on comments. Now on comments you can choose who can post comments on your posts and reels. Click on everyone, and then on stories you can do that and select everyone as well. And you can also tap on allow GIF comments. Now, after doing all of this, your problem should be fixed, but if it's not, then you're going to have to report a problem. So scroll down all the way until you find help, report a problem, and then continue. Now click on include and briefly explain that you're not able to view comments or they are not showing on your profile. So once that is done, you can send this and they'll get back to you within few days. Just follow the instruction and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.